Welcome home to Scottsboro skies, where the lake breeze meets small town life. Sunlight pouring through those brand new panes. Wide open living feels like coastal waves.
Stone countertops, yeah, the kitchen shines.
Brand new appliances, it's your time. 4 bedrooms ready for your story to grow. 2 full baths with the fresh new glow. Every corner saying stay a while.
Feels like home the moment you arrive.
Welcome home to Scottsboro skies, where the lake breeze meets small town life.
Close to Guntersville, mornings on the shore, golf at Goose Pond, fishing and more.
Big backyard, laughter in the air.
Family and friends, memories to share.
This is more than walls
and a door.
This is what you've been
waiting for.
Step outside to that big open deck, ready for a pool.
Sunny days coming, just picture it.
Kids laughing on the jungle gym.
Backyard nights under lights turned dim.
New hot water heater and windows too.
Every detail done just for you.
Garden space, a room to play.
Live your dream your own way.
Welcome home
to Scottsboro skies,
where the lake breeze meets small town life.
City park just down the road, shopping close but peaceful at home.
Big backyard,
wide and free,
perfect for your
family.
This is more than you hoped for. This is what you've been waiting for. Nestled in a town where neighbors wave.
Quiet streets and the life you crave.
Every sunset feels just right.
Yeah,
This is your next chapter.
start tonight.
Welcome home to where you belong, where every day feels like a song.
From late days to backyard lights, living your best life every night.
Scottsboro calling,
Don't wait too long.
this house is ready
To be your home.